The American economy stands at a crossroads. Do we cling to the fading glory of our industrial past, focused on manufacturing? Or do we embrace the future, a future driven by services, technology, and knowledge? This is the great economic debate of our time. The answer, like many things in the cosmos, is not simple. It requires us to examine the forces shaping our world and to understand the true potential of human ingenuity. For generations, manufacturing jobs represented the backbone of the American dream. They offered a path to a middle-class life, a chance for upward mobility. But the world is changing. Globalization and automation are reshaping the landscape of work, and we must adapt to thrive in this new environment. While some lament the decline of manufacturing, we must recognize the remarkable growth of the service sector. This shift is not a loss, but a transformation, a reimagining of how we create value and drive progress in our society. This sector encompasses a vast array of industries, from healthcare and education to finance, technology, and entertainment. Each of these industries plays a crucial role in shaping our daily lives and the future of our global economy. These industries are not merely about providing services, they are about solving problems, innovating, and improving the quality of life for people around the world. They are the engines of creativity and progress, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The service sector is where we find many of the high-paying, high-skilled jobs of the future. Software engineers, data scientists, healthcare professionals, financial analysts, educators, and entrepreneurs are just a few examples of the professionals who will drive economic growth in the years to come. These roles are essential in navigating the complexities of our modern world. And entrepreneurs are just a few examples of the professionals who will drive economic growth in the years to come. They are the visionaries and problem solvers who will lead us into a new era of prosperity and innovation. These jobs require education, specialized training, and a commitment to lifelong learning. The pace of change in the service sector means that continuous education and skill development are more important than ever. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. The service sector thrives on innovation. It is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape where new ideas are constantly being tested and implemented. It's where we see the development of new technologies, from cutting-edge software applications to groundbreaking medical treatments. These advancements have the power to transform industries and improve lives on a global scale. The creation of new business models and the exploration of new frontiers in human knowledge. Entrepreneurs and innovators are continually seeking out new opportunities and ways to disrupt the status quo, and the exploration of new frontiers in human knowledge. Research and development are at the heart of the service sector, driving forward our understanding of the world and our ability to make meaningful changes. Think about the impact of the internet, smartphones, and social media. These innovations have revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and live. They have created new industries and transformed existing ones, demonstrating the power of the service sector to reshape our world. These innovations were not born on factory floors. They emerged from the minds of creative individuals working in the service sector. Their ability to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what is possible has led to some of the most significant advancements of our time. As we look to the future, the service sector will continue to be a galaxy of opportunity. It will be the place where dreams are realized, where new ideas take flight, and where the next generation of leaders and innovators will emerge. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun. Let's address the elephant in the room: automation. It's a topic that stirs up a lot of emotions and opinions. Yes, robots and AI are changing the nature of work. They are becoming integral parts of our daily operations, from manufacturing to services. But this is not a new phenomenon. Throughout history, technological advancements have always displaced certain jobs while creating new ones. The steam engine, electricity, and the internet all revolutionized the workforce in their times. The Industrial Revolution replaced many agricultural jobs with factory work. It It was a time of great upheaval, but also of great progress. Now, we are on the cusp of another revolution, one driven by information technology and automation. This new wave promises to be just as transformative, if not more so. Instead of fearing these changes, we should embrace them. Automation can lead to increased productivity and efficiency, which can, in turn, lead to economic growth and new job opportunities. Automation has the potential to free us from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. Imagine spending more time on innovation and less on routine. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous manufacturing jobs, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, leading to better patient outcomes and more personalized treatments. And imagine a world where self-driving cars reduce traffic accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. This is the future that technology can unlock, a future where human potential is maximized and our lives are enriched by the intelligent use of automation. The key is to adapt our education system and workforce training programs to prepare people for the jobs of the future. We need to focus on skills that machines cannot easily replicate. We need to equip our citizens with the skills they need to thrive in a technology-driven economy, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and digital literacy. By doing so, we can ensure that everyone benefits from the advancements in automation and technology. Section 4. The Global Wage Conundrum. Why manufacturing is migrating. One of the main drivers of the decline in American manufacturing jobs is the global wage disparity. This disparity has created a significant shift in where companies choose to produce their goods. Many countries, particularly in Asia, have significantly lower labor costs than the United States. This cost advantage is a major factor in the decision-making process for many companies. This makes it more cost-effective for companies to manufacture goods overseas and then import them to the US market. The savings on labor costs can be substantial, even when accounting for shipping and logistics expenses. This trend is unlikely to reverse itself. As developing nations continue to grow their economies, they become even more attractive to manufacturers looking to cut costs. As developing nations continue to grow their economies and improve their standards of living, their wages will rise. However, this wage increase is gradual and often does not match the rapid pace of economic growth. However, it is unlikely that these wages will ever reach parity with those in the developed world, at least not in the foreseeable future. The gap in wages will continue to exist, maintaining the cost advantage for manufacturing in these regions. This means that American manufacturers will continue to face intense competition from low-wage countries. The pressure to reduce costs and increase efficiency is ever present. Instead of trying to compete on cost, the United States should focus on its strengths: innovation, technology, and a highly skilled workforce. By leveraging these strengths, American companies can create a competitive edge that is not solely based on price. We need to create products and services that are in high demand globally and that cannot be easily replicated by low-wage competitors. This involves focusing on high-tech industries, advanced manufacturing, and unique product offerings. This requires investing in research and development, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship, and educating our workforce for the jobs of the future. By doing so, we can ensure that the American economy remains robust and competitive on the global stage. Additionally, government policies play a crucial role in supporting this transition. Policies that encourage innovation, provide funding for R&D, and support education and training programs are essential. Public-private partnerships can also be instrumental in bridging the gap between education and industry needs. Community colleges and vocational training programs can equip workers with the skills required for modern manufacturing jobs. By showcasing new technologies and participating in international trade shows, American companies can highlight their unique capabilities and attract global customers. This not only boosts sales, but but also reinforces the reputation of American innovation. The future of American manufacturing lies in its ability to adapt and innovate. Collaborative workspaces and high-tech manufacturing environments are the new frontiers where American ingenuity can thrive. In conclusion, while the global wage disparity poses challenges, it also presents opportunities. By focusing on innovation, technology, and education, the United States can maintain its competitive edge in the global market. The key is to embrace change and invest in the future. Section 5. Immigration and the labor landscape. A complex equation. Immigration is another factor that often enters the debate about manufacturing jobs. Some argue that immigrants take jobs away from American workers, particularly in industries like manufacturing. However, the relationship between immigration and the labor market is far more complex than this simplistic view suggests. Immigrants, both high-skilled and low-skilled, contribute to the American economy in numerous ways. They start businesses, create jobs, pay taxes, and bring new ideas and perspectives. In many cases, immigrants fill labor shortages in industries where American workers are scarce, such as agriculture, construction, and healthcare. Moreover, immigration can help to offset the demographic challenges facing the United States, such as an aging population and declining birth rates. By welcoming immigrants with diverse skills and talents, we can maintain a vibrant and growing workforce. The key is to create a fair and humane immigration system that benefits both immigrants and native-born Americans.